besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you a brand new wreath form from the Dollar Tree. Snowman. Have you seen that before? How amazing is that for $1? I know it's still early, but you gotta act fast if you wanna find this. So I'm bringing to you this DIY today. I hope you like what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But if you like it, please make sure you give me thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel and becoming my bestie, okay? That way we will be in touch and you won't miss any of my videos, okay? Thanks so much. Let's get started. So we're going to use the Snowman Wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and here's the barcode if you like to look it up online. I got a large plastic bowl from the Dollar Tree and a foam board, and I'm going to trace the circle and cut it out. While at it, I will also cut a small rectangle to enlarge the hat's brim for later on. As some of you might be guessing already, I will be making a snow globe belly for my snowman. So I'm painting some snow piles with my white paint on the inside of the bowl. Feel free to find a plain plastic bowl. That's all I had on hand, but now that I look at it, I see some snowflakes designs there. I'm adding the form on top and attaching it with hot glue. First at the 4 points where the little bars stick out, and then hot glue all around and on both sides. Time to add some snow, and Dollar Tree has 2 varieties. I'm gonna add both of them, but first I'm just adding some Mod Podge on top of my snow piles just to make sure some of it will be sticking to the top. I don't want it all to just fall to the bottom, that's why. And then I'm just sprinkling the snow all over it and then adding all of it in there and covering up with the foam board circle that I cut out earlier. Next, I'm going to take a piece of felt and cover the face. Next, I'm going to use the glittery branches from the Dollar Tree, cutting them apart and emphasizing the little hands that are already there. I'm going to use the black felt to cover the hat, starting with the little brim that we cut out earlier, making sure I'm covering the edges. And then just cover the hat. Real easy. Are you enjoying this video so far? I hope you are. We are sending you hugs and kisses and tail wags. Please give us thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Next, we have to cover that wire form. And I'm going to be using the roving yarn that I got on sale at Walmart. You had seen me use on my channel before. I love that it looks like fake snow or even icing like I did on my gingerbread wall. If you haven't seen the hot cocoa bar, make sure you check it out. It's very different than what everyone else is making. So that roving yarn is a great investment. It will last you a long time. I'm using it around my snowman form right now, just covering up all the wires. And I'm actually going to highlight the head too. One more layer from underneath. Make sure nothing is showing. And then I decide to add it around the bottom edge as well. As you can see, it softens all the edges and it adds some more dimension to the snowman. Then I'm gluing that brim on top and again adding some Mod Podge on top of the snow and sprinkling a little bit with that fake snow for some extra sparkle. Oh, and look at that, some snow fell on the snowman's hat as well. All right, we're gonna leave it out to dry, then shake off the excess, and then we are going to decorate the guy. So exciting! I'm sure you can find some old buttons around the house. If not, Dollar Tree sells a lot of cute things. Even those little Halloween ornaments, they're cute, or beads, snowflake stickers, anything like that. Have fun with it, my besties. I feel like a child building a snowman again. And this is a great activity to do with your children or grandchildren. I'm just cutting little holes to insert the ornaments there and, gluing the buttons for the mouth, buttons on the belly. And for the little nose, I pick out the orange beads. I'm going to use a piece of wire, bend the bottom like a little hook, and then insert the beads from the biggest to the smallest, so it has that carrot shape. But if you cannot find these beads at a Dollar Tree, you can also use orange felt or foam and just cut out a triangle shape. Let's see how it's gonna look. Yeah, I think it's perfect size, right? It's so cute. Let me just bend that wire on top and also reinforce it with some hot glue, maybe in between the beads. Make sure they stay in place. And then just cut off the excess wire on top. So we are going to use the wire from the bottom to poke through the felt and add the nose there, just like so. And we are going to reinforce it with the bead from the bottom as well. Bend the wire under so it stays on. Reinforce it with some hot glue so that nose stays on there. Isn't he so cute? Oh, I can't. Just adorable. And he even blushed. Wow, I think it's from all the compliments. What is it? You getting cold? I'm gonna make you a scarf. I'm gonna use a Dollar Tree scarf. You can also cut one out of felt. This one is 24 inches long plus the fringes. I'm connecting two pieces so I have fringes on both sides. And then I'm just tying it around his neck so he's nice and cozy and adding a dab of hot glue here and there so the scarf stays in place. Then I'm cutting a strip for his hat. Next, I'm going to use some snowflake and plaid ribbons that I have from last year and make little bows for him. You can also find some snowflake and plaid ribbon at a Dollar Tree or this pretty light blue color from Easter. I cut 4 strips, just 7 inches long. This cannot be a big bow because it will cover up the hat. I'm just going to crisscross the ribbons, just like this. Pinch it in the middle and tie it with a floral wire. Just fluff it up and we got a cute little bow embellishment for his hat. Actually, I'm gonna make 2 of these, so I'm gonna attach one to his arm as well. If any ribbon is too long, covers up too much, just chop it off. And then add a little snowflake in the center. These stickers are from the Dollar Tree from last year. I also have a cute little snowflake bling bling, so I'm just gonna glue it to the center as well. A few more snowflake stickers on the belly, why not? We need to add a little hanger in the back, so I'm just going to use a pipe cleaner, make a loop, and glue it in the back of the belly. Don't forget to cover well with hot glue and a little band-aid on top. He's quite large, right? Let me measure him for you. He is about 24 inches, 2 feet almost. I want to decorate him a little more. I have this fern from the Dollar Tree as well as this pretty spray from Michael's, and you can use just a portion of it. Just fluff it up a little bit and insert it under the bow in his arm over there. And then you're gonna cut apart the fern or any other greenery you might have and decorate again a little bit in his hand, some more around the bow. And you notice I use only small pieces in his hat because, like I said before, I don't want to cover it all up. I still want the hat to be visible. So just tiny 3 little pieces here and there. I have a little bit left, so I decide to add some on the other side as well. Decorate to your own preference. I like to add those little extra details. And I just love that he has a snow globe in his belly. That's actually my cherry on top. And what is your favorite part? Please comment down below and let me know. Also give me those cute little emojis. Lastly, I want to add this little chalkboard stake with a sticker and make a cute little sign for my snowman to hold.
It sure is cold. This is perfect weather for Frosty the Snowman, because on these wintry days when the wind blows and freezes your nose, Frosty would come to life. Frosty the Snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but you can watch him grow every icy winter day.
My besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that video, I hope you press the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you will be my bestie and we will keep in touch, okay? Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Tweety, say bye. Say bye. Arguing as usual.